Hi everyone, welcome to my test bench. Today on my test fixture I have a Breckwell brand pellet stove controller, one that Steven sent me. Steven and I had been doing some texting back and forth about this, trying to make sure that he had no issues with his stove, and ultimately we decided that his controller had failed and needed to be repaired. So he sent it to me, I received it this week, and I've now completed all the repairs, so I'm ready to do final test on it. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll go ahead and turn it on because my test fixture is already powered up. And when I turn it on, I expect the combustion indicated, the blue indicated light to come on, and the convection room fan light to come on. So let's go ahead and do that. And there we have it. Both of those are on. I'll go ahead and turn this to minimum or to low. And you probably saw the intensity of this light go down. Let me cycle through that. Up, down, up, down. So that is functioning correctly. So a couple things we can do here before we go to automatic mode is we can check the high fan speed. So if I go to high fan, you notice the intensity of the fan light came up. So that would mean the fan would be running at maximum. I can take that off and I'll go to manual feed, and when I do that, the yellow indicated light, which simulates the auger, will come on. So on, off, on, off, on, off. So that is all working correctly. So we've seen that the manual position settings will make the intensity of the fan run more or less, higher speed or lower speed. The high fan switch works and the manual feed switch works. My next test will be to check out the auger button to switch the controller to automatic mode. When I press on the auger button, two things will happen. One is the green automatic indicator light will come on, and at the same time the auger motor will start its cycling process. So we'll see the auger light cycle on and off. The other thing that will happen is when I release the auger button, the hot rod element, the igniter, will receive power, so the light will come on. Just to note that some of the furnaces that you may have this controller on might not have that hot rod element, some might. So it's that option is dependent on what was originally purchased from Breckwell. So let's go ahead and press on that. So I'll press the auger button, and there's our green automatic light at the very top. And when I release, the igniter or hot rod element light will come on. There it is. So after releasing the auger button, the hot rod element is on for approximately 10 minutes. And that's the safety features. That has to happen. You don't want the auger or the hot rod element to be on needlessly for a long period of time. I've already pre-tested this and it comes in pretty close to 10 minutes. So I'm happy with the functionality of that. That works well. So we've already seen once that the auger was cycled on, and we just saw it again. And when we do that, we notice that there's a little window here with the green light behind it. When the controller turns on the auger, the light comes on and the simulator for the auger comes on as well. So let's wait for that. See it right there? We can clearly see that in the camera. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to again cycle through the low ABCD max, and two things will happen there. Of course, when I go to D, E, and max, the intensity of the convection fan gets higher, so the fan would be running louder and stronger. And the duty cycle of the auger has changed. Now the auger is on for a longer period of time and off for a shorter period of time. So that would drive more pellets into the fire pit, causing the fire to roar a little bit more, generating more heat. So notice that it's on for a longer period of time, and it takes a little bit less time to come on again. So we'll go one more time here. One more. There it is. And I'll go switch that over to low, and we'll watch it one more time go through the low speed cycle. So notice this time the auger will take longer before it comes on, but it'll be on for a short period of time. Notice that? There it is. So with all that being said, this controller is now functioning correctly. I want to thank Steven for sending this to me. I appreciate it very much. Steven, once you see the video, I hope that it answers all your questions. If not, please feel free to contact me. For all of you YouTube viewers out there, if you have a Breckwell pellet stove of your own that you're having problems with, feel free to contact me. I have another video, a troubleshooting guide video for this very controller that I will urge you to go view first. It has a number of steps to step through, namely making sure that this green light comes on. If you have any questions or you need your pellet stove controller repaired, please feel free to contact me. My contact information will be in the video information just below here. So, for everyone, I hope that you like this video and that you take the time to subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that very much. Thanks everyone. Have a good night.